In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate mailing lists on WordPress.com, a simple WordPress tutorial for beginners. If you've just started your WordPress journey and want to connect with your audience through email marketing, this guide is perfect for you. We'll walk through linking your WordPress.com site with Mailchimp, one of the most popular email marketing services available. First, you'll need to head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where you'll manage all the features and functions of your website. Once you're in the dashboard, your next stop will be the Tools section. This is a crucial step because from here, you have the power to access various features that will enhance your site's performance and connectivity. Click on Tools, and a new menu will pop up for you. Now that you're in Tools, look for the Marketing option and click on it. The Marketing section is like the engine room of your site's online presence. It succinctly handles all your marketing needs, enabling you to engage more effectively with your audience. For marketing, you'll find an option labeled Connections. Go ahead and click on this. The Connections tab is where you can seamlessly integrate third-party services to your WordPress site. Within Connections, you'll see various external services that you can link to your site. We're going to focus on Mailchimp, so go ahead and click on it. Mailchimp is a robust platform that helps you easily create and manage mailing lists, newsletters, and automated campaigns. Simply click on Connect right next to Mailchimp. Doing so initiates the connection process between your site and Mailchimp's services, opening up a pathway for seamless integration. You'll then be prompted to log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it first before you can proceed. Logging in will authorize WordPress to access your Mailchimp data, which is essential for the integration. Once you've successfully logged in, your website and Mailchimp will be linked. This connection allows you to start building or importing your mailing list directly onto your WordPress site. Congratulations! You've now integrated Mailchimp with your WordPress.com site. By following these steps, you've set up an efficient way to communicate with your audience, nurture relationships, and potentially increase conversions through targeted email campaigns. Remember, regularly updating and engaging with your mailing list is key to leveraging this powerful integration. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.